Good evening. My name is. How are you? Hi, nice to meet you. What is your name?
Nice to meet you too. My name is Ramzan.
Nice to meet you, Ramzan. And where are you from?
I'm from India, the northern part of India.
Okay, great. I'm from South Africa in the south of South Africa.
Okay, great.
Great, good. Nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself. What do you
I'm a software professional working on websites, mobile apps, and yes, and I'm trying to improve my English meanwhile.
Okay. Tell me about the northern parts of India. If I wanted to come to visit your country, what would you say is the best place to visit? Why should I come there?
Yes, actually, you can come to the northern part first because this is one of the beautiful. We have the snowfall, we have the greenery, so all the things and cleanliness. I mean, there is no pollution.
Wow.
Yes.
That's interesting because I think it's sort of an idea people generally have in their heads, in their minds, perception that certain parts of India are very overcrowded and that, there is some pollution.
Can you please keep your mic a little closer?
Oh, okay. No, I'm saying it's probably almost a stigma or a stereotype. People think of India and either think of the Taj Mahal or they think of a high, big population, lots of people, crowded, with pollution. So it's nice to know that the northern parts are different. Yeah.
Yes, yes. And in your country, what is the best place which you are recommending me to visit there?
Well, in the south, I would say where I live in Cape Town, excuse me, because it's a beautiful city with there's forests and a mountain and oceans and beaches. So it's very beautiful. And then in the northern parts, that's very beautiful because of wildlife. There are many national and safari parks up in the north. So that's very beautiful to visit as well.
Oh, okay, great. So currently you are living with your family, right?
Yes, so I live with my children. That's right.
Okay, great. So do you have any other profession or you are working only on Cambly?
No, I do. I'm an English teacher, but I work with Cambly in addition to another company that I teach English for.
Okay, so you graduated and then started here working online, or you was in any other organization, or you had any alternate?
I've worked in different careers previously. I've worked in travel and coordinating group travel, student travel, but for many, many years. And
Okay,
working as a travel consultant, yeah. Then I
so
decided to went into teaching English.
okay, so you mean that you was working with tourists? Hello, you was working with tourists?
No, I was a travel consultant. I used to make the reservations.
Okay,
So I used to book flight tickets and bus tickets and car hire for people.
okay, great. And yes, that's really great. And your childrens are also working, or they are currently studying in their schools or college?
They're still children. They're still young in primary school.
Okay.
Yeah. What do
That,
you do?
yes, I am working as a software engineer from last 3 years. And yes, currently I have a lot of projects, and
Mm-hmm.
accordingly, I am just focusing on this only.
Okay. Did the pandemic or has the pandemic affected your work a lot?
No, this has just gave me the opportunity to improve all the things. I mean, everything drastically improved because online work is always continuous. So there is no way to stop the things.
Yeah, it's true. And I think many other companies or industries had to change and become online in order
Yes.
to keep surviving. Many companies, I think, that